Hello student, this is Laboratory 5, Microorganism. After completing this exercise, you will be able to observe and distinguish the bacterial cell by using compound microscope. Before we start the experiment, I would like to give you some briefly about bacterial cells and their cell wall. As you know, there are two different group of bacteria. Group 1 is gram-positive bacteria and group 2 is gram-negative bacteria. They are different of the cell wall. Cell wall of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria are different and we can use the gram stain technique to identify them. For the cell wall of gram-positive bacteria, they are contain many layers of peptidoglycan and outer lipid membrane. But for cell wall of gram-negative bacteria, they contain a thin peptidoglycan layer with outer lipid membrane. That's why it makes them different after you stain the bacterial cell wall. You can get two different colors after that. In this laboratory, we will focus on the bacterial shape. You will see that there are different shapes of bacteria. There are coccus, or some bacteria are bacillus, or sometimes you will see that there are coccobacillus, or spiral, or even filamentous. If you look at this slide, you will see the sketch or the drawing picture of the bacterial shape. In this exercise, you have to observe the bacterial shape by using microscope. Exercise 5.1, crystal violet stain. In this exercise, you have to observe the bacterial shape from two bacterial samples. The first one is Bacillus subtilis. The second one is Micrococcus luteus. Again, you have to use the compound microscope to observe the bacterial shape in this exercise. If you don't remember how to use microscope correctly, please go back to Laboratory 1 to watch the video, and it's going to help you to observe the bacteria in this laboratory. In the exercise, you have to prepare the clean slide and smear with bacterial sample.
Burn the loop until it becomes red color. Take 1 drop of clean water on the slide with a clean loop. Burn the loop again before taking bacterial sample. Follow the video. Smear the bacterial sample with water on the slide. After that, add crystal violet for 1 minute. Rinse with water and air dry. And observe the bacterial cell shape using a compound microscope. After we get a clear image for the X objective lens, add 1 drop of immersion oil before observe with 100x objective lens. Don't forget to change from 100x objective lens to the lowest objective lens before remove the slide.
After you observe the bacterial shape by using compound microscope, you have to record the bacterial shape, sketch the bacterial shape of stain microbe or stain of the two bacterial sample. The first one is Bacillus subtilis and the second one is Micrococcus luteus, and see how different, and describe the cell shape, arrangement, and the description. In this exercise, you have to add the magnification to your results as well. Don't forget to clean up the 100x objective lens after finish the experiment.
Clean the lens with white paper until no more oil appears on the paper.
That's all for the laboratory 5, and enjoy your practical time in the laboratory.